Artificial Intelligence Doctor. User question. How does allyl disulfide, a compound found in onions, interact with insulin production and potentially lower blood glucose levels? Claude 3.5 answer. Allyl disulfide, APDS, works through several mechanisms to influence blood glucose levels. Here's how. Insulin competition. APDS competes with insulin for insulin inactivating sites in the liver. This competition results in more insulin being available in the blood. Higher available insulin leads to increased glucose uptake by cells. Hepatic effects. APDS helps reduce the liver's glucose production. It may increase glycogen storage in the liver. These effects help maintain lower blood glucose levels. Cellular impact. The compound appears to enhance insulin sensitivity in cells. This means cells respond better to insulin signals. Better insulin sensitivity leads to more efficient glucose absorption. Metabolic regulation. APDS may influence key enzymes involved in glucose metabolism. It potentially helps regulate gluconeogenesis, new glucose production. This regulation helps prevent unnecessary blood sugar spikes. It's worth noting that while these mechanisms have been observed in studies, more research is needed to fully understand the exact molecular pathways and optimal dosage for therapeutic use. Would you like me to elaborate on any of these aspects? Gemini Advance answer. Allyl disulfide, APDS, the compound that gives onions their pungent smell, has been studied for its potential effects on blood glucose and insulin. While the exact mechanisms are still being researched, here's what we know so far. How APDS may affect insulin and blood glucose. Increased insulin release **APDS appears to stimulate the pancreas to release more insulin. This is important because insulin is the hormone responsible for allowing glucose to enter cells and be used for energy, thus lowering blood glucose levels. Protection of insulin **APDS may also help protect insulin from being broken down in the liver. This means that more insulin is available to help regulate blood sugar. Improved insulin sensitivity. Some studies suggest that APDS may improve insulin sensitivity, meaning that cells become more responsive to insulin signals, allowing glucose to be utilized more effectively. Reduced glucose absorption. APDS might interfere with the absorption of glucose in the intestines, leading to a slower rise in blood sugar levels after meals. Important considerations. More research is needed. While some studies have shown promising results, more research, especially in humans, is needed to fully understand the effects of APDS on insulin and blood glucose control. Dosage and form. The amount of APDS needed for therapeutic effects and the best way to consume it, e.g., raw onions, extracts, are still being investigated. Individual variability. How individuals respond to APDS can vary depending on factors like their overall health, diet, and genetics. It's crucial to remember that onions or APDS supplements should not be considered a replacement for conventional diabetes treatments. If you have diabetes or are concerned about your blood sugar levels, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and management. While onions and garlic are generally considered healthy foods, it's important to be aware that some people may experience allergies or sensitivities to them. If you experience any adverse reactions after consuming onions or garlic, seek medical advice. In conclusion, allyl disulfide in onions shows potential for influencing insulin production and blood glucose regulation. However, further research is necessary to confirm these effects and determine safe and effective ways to utilize it for health benefits.